All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verb. Eat, 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 eat. To consume something. Yeah. So I eat salad. I always eat salad after the gym. Yes, very healthy. I only eat healthy food. Yeah, quite important. It is quite important. How many salads do you eat? Yeah. How much do you eat? Yeah, how much do you eat? A lot? Not a lot? He is eating breakfast. He's eating breakfast, yeah. Yeah. I ate it yesterday. I ate it yesterday. I ate that yesterday. Yeah, we didn't eat it yesterday, but I ate it. But I ate it. Yeah. She's eating it now. What is she eating? She is eating chocolate. Now. Chocolate. Now. Yeah, definitely. They might have eaten it by then. Yeah, we should have finished eating it by, well, eating it in 5 minutes. Yeah. I want to eat chocolate, for example. No. Want to eat chocolate. Yeah. But I should not eat chocolate very often. No. No. Very rarely. Yeah. Eat. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so can you use eat in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.